All right, so putting this UMI drive shaft loop in, I've already dropped the drive shaft down, and you drill the holes. I got it set in place, and I drilled one of the holes here. It's on this first rib back, your transmission cross member, then you got this rib. You drill the holes, and the holes go, they're kind of, they say under the seats, but on mine they're right beside them. So either way, they're hidden though. So I'm gonna drill this other hole. All right. Now let's kind of set that there and mark it. Make sure that hole's lined up. It is. So now I guess I had a smaller drill bit in it a while ago when I marked it. But I got the silver Sharpie. I always keep a black and a silver Sharpie in my toolbox. Not for art projects, but for marking projects. Because you never know when you're going to be doing something like this and need to mark some holes. All right, one to go. I think I smoked my drill bit. We'll get it. That ain't good. I don't know what I just drilled into. I guess we'll find out, won't we? My seat cushion. I'm not real thrilled about drilling holes in my floor since I just welded all the holes up, but you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Well, I drilled that hole crooked as shit. That's the cool thing about drilling underneath the car up. So you can see those bolts sticking down now. And we'll find a couple more washers. I don't know. I only got 4 washers. Not a fan of that. Well, let's see here. Let's see if I can get this thing back up in here. Hopefully that crooked ass bolt will go through there. Oh yeah, we're golden. We are golden. I made sure I stuck my UMI sticker down. That's the way it looked like it goes, because this thing is not centered. So on that UMI drive shaft safety loop, or probably any other drive shaft safety loop you buy that's bolt in, this is where your bolts are going to end up. There is a weld-in kit available, but I didn't really want to do that. So as you can see, it's in. There's a side view. I'm going to trim those bolts hanging down. I don't like that. I'm sure I will hit my head on them the first time I go to work on it. So, but that's that. One little more thing crossed off the non-existent whiteboard that I don't have. My whiteboard's in my head, I suppose. Maybe I should get a whiteboard.